Today we are going to learn the amazing step is called Dougie. So let's get started. So let's get to the second position, means your opening leg. From over here, what we are going to do as simple as it is. So just step your left leg back, the right leg back, the left leg back, the right leg back. Once again, let's try it once again. 5, 6, 7, go. The left back, the right back, the left back, and the right back. Okay, let's do it once again. 5, 6, 7, go. Left, right, left, right. So as you can see, with the stepping my legs back, I'm using my top of the body, means upper body is like back, back, back. So let's contribute some styling and the grip. So let's go back, 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 back. Okay, let's get down. So the groovy and the legs position. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, friend, you got the right thing. Okay, so this was the legs and your body. So let's get it on with your arms direction. Imagine you are having two of the juices in your hand. So first is an apple and second is my favorite, the orange juice. So what you're going to do is you are going to pour the apple in the orange juice and the orange juice into the apple. So it goes 1, 2, 3 and 4. But you're not going to pour and mix all of the juices. So what you're going to do is something to your, pick your right hand to the left side. So it's goes back, back. So once you use right, the left, the right and the left. You got, my friend. Let's do this with your legs and your body. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, let's get it on once more. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so I think you have learned the Dougie, but here we are going to variate it, because when we are going to perform on any of the song on the reels or anywhere, so you need some variations. So what you're going to do is simple as it is, a basic variation where you use the double counts. It means you're using 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Okay, so let's do it. 5, 6, 7, go. It goes 1, 2, 3 and 4. So as you see, on the left side, with the left leg, on the right hand to the left direction, we are going it for 2 times. So 3 and 4. And again, from the right we start. So 5, 6, 7 and 8. Yeah. So you're using the pour up, means to the right to the left, left to the right. Let's do for the last time. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So we learn the exciting step called Dougie. If you are looking for a great class where you can learn something, the link is in the description for a trial class. You can book your trial class from there, and I'll be teaching you in the trial class a great song, and we'll be learning some great stuff. So if you enjoyed this step with me, friend, then don't forget to subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon. So we'll meet in the next video with the next move. Till then, bye bye.